Hey, look at that mama whiskey.
You want to ride, fool?
Oh, no chemical?
No, quema.
Oh. And no chemical? Hey, la mama whiskey. Muy bien.
Yup, Chrome will get you home. All right. Bro, look at those chromey boys.
Ooh, that's gross.
1, 2, 4. Too complicated. I'm gonna keep my shit stock. They just don't make them like they used to anymore. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. And I was telling you, that right there, that's how you know it's quality.
Oh, damn. Where the hell it matches, actually. She likes cats for sure. Too gangster. When the sunflowers are prettier than she is.
Hey, these fools got nothing on the mamalona.
Hey, eso es no quema, cuz.
No quema.
Well, you're the friendly giant, cuz. What are you, huh?
Low and slow, baby, low and slow.
Low and slow, quema, quema.
I just need someone young. You know, someone that's kind of more up to speed with, you know, me.
All right, come on, you should see my daily. Hold on. Threw this intake and exhaust on this bad boy, and now I have like, geez, an extra 200 horse. This baby's LS swapping at least 800 horsepower. Woo, listen to that baby purr.
Too basic, am I right? Like, come on.
Yep. I think I'm gonna wrap this old girl, you know? I'm thinking maybe, I don't know, a white or something with chrome.
Whew. Hey, what up, cuz? Hey, is this your jam?
Oh, you cut.
Oh, it's on me. No, you gotta do the quema. The quema. No quema, no?
No, no
Hey.
quema.
You don't know what a dent side is? And I'm not talking about dents. Well, in 1966, Ford developed a patent that would solidify. And then in 1967, Ford invented what was called the bump side. And the bump side was crazy until the latest half of it. Slap my grandma, you wouldn't even believe it. That they got a dent on the side, and that's how they got their name.
Yeah, I honestly don't think I'd rock anything other than Oakleys. Pit Vipers are okay, but those are for the poor people.
Like, yeah, this lift is cool and all, but what did that do to your trap time? You think they have it? I really hope they have it. Do you guys got any of those stage 4 cams? Unreal.
Probably bird shit.
All right, cuz. See you later.
You know how to dance or thing?
No, I don't know how to dance norteños.
That's all you then.
Tell me.
I can't teach you on the spot.
You want to touch mustaches?
2 more tries and then we'll do something else. Did you get butt crack in that one? me. And I'm not talking about dents. Dents.
They say more like fool and cuh and no mames, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, King, does that mean you're listening to me right now? But I love you. Buenos dias, suspensión, llantas rines,
You can be like that.
custom offsets.
Hey, look at that mama whiskey.
You like my ride? You wanna?
All
right.
So that's the hood. This baby is LS swap with at least 800 horsepower. This baby's at least 800 horsepower. And it's 2JZ swap.